Parchment paper keeps your baking sheet clean and also helps keep the shape of your cookies while they cook. Baking powder and baking soda can go bad. Make sure you check them. Baking powder will bubble when hot water is added, and baking soda will bubble when you add vinegar. Cream together the butter and sugar for about 10 minutes until it's fluffy. The butter will aerate and give the cookies good texture. If you are looking for more light and delicate cookies, use room temperature eggs. When they are room temperature, they mix much better with the batter. When you put the cookie dough in the fridge for at least 2 to 4 hours, they will shape much easier and also make your cookies not go flat. Smaller cookies are harder and more crispy, while larger cookies have a softer and chewier texture.
You will need half a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1 3/4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. First, you'll need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix together the butter and sugar for about 10 minutes. Stir in the vanilla, then stir in the egg. Combine flour, baking soda, and salt, then add to the mixture. Mix the dough until just combined. Do not overmix. Gently stir in the chocolate chips. Scoop about 1½ tablespoons of dough and place onto a greased baking sheet. Bake cookies for 7 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. Enjoy!